Paul Kim here, and in this video, I'm going to go over API domains, also known as branded domains. Now, what this is that you can modify your chosen domain or your domain um, so that it represents your brand. And these are system-generated links that goes out from the system. And so why would you want to do this is there's two reasons. Number one, it will increase your deliverability. And number two, it will increase your credibility. Now, what are some of the system-generated links? They are such as forms, survey, calendar links, trigger links, short links, and review links. Now, there are two levels. There are how to configure it on the agency level and on the sub-account level. All right, so we're going to go over those two. And let's go and share my screen and let's go to it. All right, so creating a API domain on the agency level creates a default brand domain that will be used by all sub-accounts. Now, this will apply to links such as calendar scheduling and invoices, for example, right? So on the agency account, what we're going to do is head down to settings, and then we're going to go to company right here. And then we're going to head down to right here where it says, I already have it connected, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to just delete this. Okay, and then I'll go ahead and show you exactly how to set it. So what we're going to do is, typically you want to put in like API. Now this is a demo account, kmadison.co. So this will be your domain. And so that will be your branded domain. And so what we're going to do is click add domain. And then what you want to do is, if you want to click continue, if you have your domain located, maybe hosted on a GoDaddy or GoHighLevel will actually go into your account, log in, and update those changes. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to do it manually. So we're going to add the records manually. And then what we're going to do is we're going to create a CNAME, and this is the host value, and this is the required value. All right. So I'm going to show you, I believe my domain is in Namecheap. It might be on Squarespace, but let me go to my domain. All right, so I am in my Namecheap account, and as you can see, there is already a CNAME record, API, and this brand ludicrous.cloud. And going back to here, so let's just go ahead and delete this account, delete this record, and we're going to add a new record. All right, so we're going to add a CNAME, and then what we're going to do is create that's the host name. So let's create host, and then what we're going to do is paste, and then this target is the value that you want to copy over, and then we're going to paste, and then we're going to click check, and then we will go ahead and verify, and that will pretty much set it up. You might have to do it maybe once, twice, or three times before it actually goes through. All right, so it went through on the first time, and so as you can see here, it is set. And let's just to make sure that it went through, just update. All right, and then let me show you what we can do on the sub account level. Let's go to a sub account, and we'll go ahead and set it on the sub account level. All right, so as you can see, I am in a sub account. Let's just say for the purpose of this demo, it's on kmadison demo. Now, if I don't set the branded domain here, it will default to the agency API domain. So basically, all of the various links like calendar, review links, all those system generated links will default to the agency level API domain. Now, in order to override that on the sub account level, this is only for this account. You would create, let's just say, for example, I'm going to create a link.calendar.co kmadison.co, right? So this will be your domain, right, for that sub account. And then you would go through the same procedure of adding domain. And then here, as I said before, you can click continue if you're on GoDaddy or any of the various hosts that GoHighLevel can connect directly. But I always do it adding manually. All right, so we're going to go ahead and add a CNAME record. And let me switch over to my domain again. All right, so I'm in my Namecheap account, and I will add a record, and then I will go ahead and add a CNAME, and then I will go ahead and copy. It will be link, and go ahead and add a link there, and then the target is this value right there, and it's copied. You'll know that it's copied when there's a check mark right next to it. Okay, and then we'll copy and paste, and then we'll click OK. That went through, and then now we will go ahead and verify the record. So sometimes you'll get this, not to worry. What it means is that your domain hasn't propagated the link, and so we'll just click verify again. As you can see, that went through. So now what it does is that within this sub account, if you were to create, utilize any of the system generated links, it would come from the subdomain link.kmadison.co. Now this is my demo domain, so this would be associated with that specific sub account domain associated with that sub account. All right, so I hope this video was helpful, and see you next time. Bye now.